In this video, we will see how you can set a custom ringtone or a different ringtone for a different context. As we all know that on an iPhone, we have common ringtone. So whenever anyone calls, the same ringtone rings. But what if we are setting a different ringtone for a different context? So we know that who is calling us whenever that particular ringtone rings. So now how to do it? Let's see. So guys, for this trick, do one thing, go to your contacts, open the contacts and open the particular contact which you want to custom ringtone, right? Just go ahead, open the contact, right side top corner, tap on edit. And here scroll down and tap on ringtone. So here if you see, you have all your default ringtone by iPhone itself. Otherwise, any ringtone if you imported or edited in your iPhone, you will also find them here. So as per your choice, choose your ringtone and just click on done. So now next time onwards, whenever that particular contacts call you, the ringtone or a custom ringtone which you have chosen will ring. So you will know who is calling you. That's how you can set a custom ringtone or a different ringtone for a different context on your iPhone. So guys, that's it. I hope you like this video. I hope it helped you. And if yes, then please like the video and please subscribe for amazing videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solution. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video.